Okay, in this recording, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new blog post on WordPress. So let's jump right in. So first I have this website, 954church.com. This is a WordPress website, and I'm looking right now at the homepage of the site. But to actually log in to the back end to make your updates, you're going to want to put the URL, then slash wp-admin, and then hit enter. And that's going to bring you to the actual login panel, and I'll just log in under one of the clients that I'm doing the post for. Okay, so as soon as you log in, it should bring you right to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you'll click on posts, and you can actually just hover over it and then go to add new. Okay, so now I'm adding a new post to the blog, and to start, you'll want to put a title in. In this case, it's kind of already set for me, so I'm taking this email here and I'm just going to be inputting it into a blog post. So I'll grab Genesis 15, I'll copy that over, paste it in as the title, and then I'll take the body copy for the actual paragraph of what's going to be on the post, and I'll copy that from the email and then paste that over. Okay, so everything is now on my page. Let's just preview it to see what it'll look like. So I'll go over here to the right and hit preview. It's going to open up a new tab. You don't have to it's okay if you close this down because the original page is always going to be there. So, all right, this is an example of what the blog post will look like. And right now I can see that there's these really big spaces, so I just want to correct that. So I'll go back to the post, I'll click here, I'll hit delete, I'll do it here again, hit delete, and then I'll check down here. So sometimes you want to click below just to delete any empty white space, but I'm seeing that the cursor is blinking right at the period, so I know that there's no additional empty space. That looks pretty good. So I'm done with my title, I'm done with the paragraph. Now I just want to take a look here at the actual SEO of this page. This is a plugin called Yoast. It's WordPress SEO by Yoast. And it really is just these first few fields I want to put some focus keywords on. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the title again because the main part of this post is on Genesis 15. So I'm going to post that in the focus keyword, and then I'm going to do that as well for the SEO title. And then for the meta description, I'm just going to put a simple, quick sentence. So I'll say a brief overview on Genesis 15, period. And if you look at the snippet preview, this is actually what you're going to see in Google. So when you're Googling for this, this is how it's going to appear. And so you can adjust that however you like it to kind of fit in your keywords. There's other more creative and definitely more interesting ways to get better results from search engines, but this is so simple that I don't want to make it complex. From there, I've got my SEO all done. Now I just need to identify what category this blog post is going to go under. So for now, this one's going to be from the pastors, and that's an actual category that lives on the blog. I'll show you real quick. So I'll go back to the preview. You can see here under categories from the pastors. So this post will live in that section. So I've got that checked off. Let's put in some tags. So right under the category, you have this drop down. You have tags, and This is going to be anything that's like a keyword that kind of stands out from within your post that people on site may be searching for. So it doesn't have to be too detailed. It can just be very generic. So Genesis is a good one. I'll hit comma because we can post multiple tags in here. And I'll just kind of look at my my post. So we have Genesis, we have Paul, Romans, Galatians, faith, New Testament. That's good. I don't want to be over the top with my tags, but just like, you know, a few. So hit add, adds in my tags, everything looks good. I'm going to hit save draft now. Okay, as soon as I saved my draft, it updated the permalink. Up here gives you a preview of what the entire link structure is going to look like. So it's the website, then you have the category, and then you have Genesis 15, which is the title. So everything looks great. Now I'm just going to get this posted out. So for example, this one is not going out right now. It's going to be going out on January 14th. So I want to go over here to publish immediately and hit edit. Click January, change the date to the 14th. It's 2015, and then this is military time. So I just want this going out 1 minute after 12 a.m. on as soon as it turns January 14th. So click OK, and now publish turn to schedule, and then I'll just hit schedule. Actually, before I hit schedule, I'm going to preview it. So I'll click preview one more time just to be safe. And there it is. Everything looks great. The date is obviously different. That will be reflected when the post goes live. So you don't have to worry about that. And then the comment field for my actual blog post is much different because I'm using a different plugin for that. So you can ignore that as well. Main thing I'm focusing on is title and body text and making sure everything looks good. Okay, looks good. I'm going to close out of there and then actually hit schedule this time. And that's it. You can go back to posts. And you can now see that Genesis 15 here. The author is set to Brian Brookins. That's one thing I forgot to mention. Depending on who you're logged in as, it will automatically put you as the author. If you needed to update it, you can go to Quick Edit and actually I can't do it with this one because I don't have all the same privileges as I do with the administrator user. So, so I'll just hit cancel. Verify. It says from the pastors for the category. Tags are in. The date's correct. It's scheduled. And then these colors are just telling you how well you did with the SEO. And I didn't spend a lot of time with it, so I didn't do too great, and I was missing some things, so I got an orange color. If you get a green like this one, it means you did pretty well.